working with something that isn't in the kit or is wrong in the kit gets to be frustrating because it does come back.
If they don't have all the parts they need, they run an old part, they don't service that part, whatever, and they're given a warranty. They've got that chance of that car coming back under warranty, and now they're doing it for free.
Problem where we did not have what we needed because of a low quality seal kit, we might have to resort to calling the dealer, which takes time, usually costs more.
When we're stuck on one unit missing a part, it shuts one segment of our shop down completely.
Because the fact that we may have to turn a customer away if we aren't able to get what we need.
A shop gets a kit and they open it up and they don't have everything they need to complete the build. That stops the build right there. Now you're using resources and time and money again to go figure out a way around this problem.
It's really important that every sealing component and every wear component gets replaced in the application. That's why we do our best to make sure that every seal and every wear item is included in our kits.
You want to make sure you have a complete kit that services all variants of that application. So the end user will be confident that he can get the job done in the expected time.
This is also important when there's different variations of a particular unit that could have similarities between each other, but there could be some minor differences that we would catch during that physical teardown.
To ensure that all the components that are needed are included in our kits, we go through an intense research and development process. That includes both a full disassembly of the unit.
If it's not within our family, we would probably turn to one of our own sister companies that makes that type of part or that kind of component.
We have all the stuff in TransTec's kits that we need, whether they be rubber goods, lip seals, sealing rings, whatever. It comes pretty complete.
The benefits of having everything in my overhaul kit is I don't have to leave one spot. I just stay in one spot and I rebuild and everything's there.
You know, we were having a lot of comebacks and stuff like that, and in our business with the bus companies, we can't have any comebacks like that, you know, because then they're going to lose faith in us. So we keep our faith in TransTec.
You find yourself questioning yourself when really you're questioning the quality of the kit, and we don't have that problem with TransTec.
TransTec kits are the most complete kits that I have used, and I've used plenty of kits in the past.